welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be talking about my first sale. Yes, getting my first sale on the Etsy and how was my experience and what I actually sell and story regarding this Etsy. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon. Because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it, and soon we are going to start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. It's 100% free. Right now, it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to soon sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content. And if you change your mind later, you can subscribe wherever and whatever time you want to. So let's dive into today's video. Talking about the Etsy. Now guys, I have made I think 2 videos talking about my experience with my Etsy. Like in the first video, I talked about my experience with the Etsy, opening up my first shop. And that was very worst experience. Like that was completely a nightmare. I was on the Etsy for I think 1 or 2 months. I tried a bunch of the different ads, but nothing was happening. I didn't get any sale, and then finally I closed that shop. Experience in that video. If you want to check that video out, I'm gonna leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. That was my first experience with the Etsy with my first shop. I really closed that first shop because I tried the ads and it wasn't working and I didn't get any sale, and I was not at all patient. Seriously guys, that was my mistake because I was not at all patient. And I was just doing the ads and trying to get the corners, getting the for sale. I was so much desperate about, that's why I didn't get it. So that was my first experience with my first shop on the Etsy. Then I made another video talking about why I'm not selling on the Etsy. And in that video, I think I talked about my experience with my first shop with the Etsy. Like I didn't get any sale and blah 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 kind of stuff I talked in that video. Again guys, I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above if you want to check it out. But today I'm gonna be sharing about my experience getting my first sale in my new shop. This is a brand new shop. This is the second brand new shop that I started on the Etsy. Now what could I did differently, and everything I'm gonna be sharing. So let's dive in with talking about the story. Now I started with my Etsy shop that is the second new Etsy shop back in July of 2021. And the previous old shop which I started on the Etsy, that didn't work. That was a nightmare. I started I think back in the 2020, and then I closed that shop in the beginning of January 2021, and then I took a huge gap, and then finally I just started with the second new shop on Etsy on July 2021 and got my first sale. And finally I got my first sale on 26 September 2021. It took me 2 months. Yes, it took me 2 months because I was really slow. I just uploaded 10 products, that's all. I was having only 10 products in my shop. I did the few promotion like on the Pinterest, just shared it in my Pinterest page, and that's all. I didn't share it and didn't promote it with my friends, with my family members, or not even any other social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is. I just promoted or shared it on as a Pinterest pin on Pinterest, or maybe 1 or 2 times, that's all. And I didn't even run any ads. So that was really slow, because if you are a new shop on Etsy, you don't have a sales history, you don't have reviews, you don't have anything kind of such stuff, and Etsy need that kind of stuff for you to rank higher on the search engine on their platform. So you need to have a sales history, you need to have a good reviews, then only they're gonna rank you on higher onto the first few pages or on the first 5 results on the Etsy. So you need to do that. But if you're a newbie, you don't have any sales history, you don't have any reviews, so it is really difficult at the current moment on the Etsy to get the first sale very fast. I didn't write any ads. Of course, I was having a sale on my shop. I was having a 50% off on my shop, like on entire 10 product I was having the off. I started back in July of 2021. Then I started uploading the products. I think I uploaded 10 products, and like 5 of them I uploaded in July and 5 of them I uploaded in August. And then I hit my first sale in the September, and I was having a 50% off on entire product, in fact on entire shop on Etsy. That's what I did. I didn't try the ads, I didn't promote it much, just a few pins on the Pinterest, that's all. and run a sale. That was my thing I was doing. I was literally experimenting with the Etsy on the second time. Now regarding my inventory, I also want to talk about what kind of products I'm selling. Previously, I was selling digital art printable. Like in my old shop, which I started back in the 2020, I was selling the art printables, and that was quite in the competitive keywords, quite competitive niche. So it was really difficult for me to actually rank on the Etsy since I was a new shop and I wasn't having any experience. So I tried the ads, it didn't work out, and then I closed that shop and I started that new shop in July 2021. And this time I'm selling the product in the business templates that are very less competitive in a specific keyword and specific niche. Now I'm not gonna disclose my niche and my keyword right now. I'm gonna disclose it right now. Maybe in the future I would disclose which kind of product are selling and what is that niche and what is that keyword, maybe in the future, but for now I'm not disclosing it because I still want to get more sales and I still want to build up my sales history on the Etsy, so I won't be disclosing it. But it was a printables. I'm not selling any print-on-demand product on the Etsy. I haven't integrated with Printful, Printify, Good, and whatever it is. I'm not selling any print-on-demand product. I'm selling the art printables, the templates, the digital templates. The people can download it and can either take a printout of it and use it in there. Now that was my story with the Etsy, with my second shop, what I'm selling, how long it took me, and how many products were there. Only 10 products, guys. I haven't uploaded such a less amount of product in any of my print-on-demand shops so far. Like on my print-on-demand shop, I have 500 products, thousands of products, but here I uploaded just 10. I was like, wow. I just uploaded 10. I was thinking of uploading the more, but I was really slow with the Etsy because I've been working on my other businesses. You know, guys, that I have a multiple platform strategy. I work along with various different platforms. So I was really slow with the Etsy, and I wasn't expecting a sale within 2 months. I was expecting maybe in 4 months, maybe in 5 months, because I wasn't doing much of the promotion. I wasn't even trying ads. I wasn't having much of the inventory, like just the 10 products. 10 product is not a huge product where you have the millions of product on the Etsy. People have like thousands of product in their shop, and I was just having 10. So it wasn't that huge inventory. It was a small inventory. But I hopefully managed to get my first sale in the second month, like in 2 months, and that's really fortunate. Now let's talk about my experience and some tips I want to share with you guys regarding this first sale. And also this was a learning curve for me as well, because the mistakes that I did in my previous old shop was really a learning curve for me to actually correct them in my second new shop, to get the sales, to get the things, and to actually achieve the goals which I have set. The first tip that I have for you is to have patience. This was really a big mistake that I did in my old previous shop. I wasn't having patience. I was like so desperate. I thought that I'm going to start the Etsy shop and I'm going to see the sales running in my dashboard, running in my shop the next few weeks and blah, 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 blah. Because I've been watching a lot of the Etsy videos. People selling on the Etsy regarding the art printable, physical product, print-on-demand, whatever products they're selling. I've been watching their videos, and some of them were getting the sales within a week, within 2 days, and I was like, wow, they're getting the sales so fast, so I would be also getting the sales so fast. So I was really desperate in my old shop, and that was the huge mistake that I did. So I'm going to tell you, if you're starting with a brand new shop on Etsy, be patient. It will really going to take some time to get the first sale, unless you are doing huge promotions on your social media, on the Pinterest, unless you are running full tune ads on the Etsy with your products. It is very less likely to get the first sale fast. Okay, unless you're doing all those things, you might get your first sale fast. It happens to some people, may not be, I don't know. But still, guys, be patient. It took me 2 months to get my first sale. So be patient. So that is my first thing. That is really important before starting your Etsy shop. Just keep in mind, it will going to take some time, and you are here for a year. You're not here for a few months or maybe a 1 day or 2 days. Okay, you are at least on this Etsy for 1 year. So think in that long-term perspectives, to have a patience, to have a bigger picture, and then start with your Etsy shop. The second thing I want to talk about is your niche and your keywords, which is really important. What is your niche in which you are creating the product? Are you selling the print-on-demand product? Which are the target audience you are serving? Like you are creating t-shirts, like you're selling the t-shirts for the men. Then you need to sub-niche down, because t-shirts for the men is also competitive niche. You need to pick up a niche that is not that competitive. What does your target audience look like, and what is your niche and category and keywords? You need to target those keywords, those niches which are less competitive, which allow you to rank higher in the search engine of the Etsy without having the sales history, without having the review history, because in the beginning you need to have that Etsy search boost to get the first sale, because unless it would be really difficult, unless you don't have any followers or you don't have any social media promotion, it would be difficult to get the first sale. So go with the niche, go with the category, or go with the product which is less that competitive and in which you can rank much higher in comparison to the competitive niches. Third tip that I have for you is run a sale. Now, it is not 100% guaranteed that if you are running a sale on your Etsy shop, you'll be getting your first sale fast. It's not 100% guaranteed, but something that I did experimented with at my shop. I was having an entire 50% off on my entire shop, and that let me get my first sale in 2 months. So I want to tell you, have a sale on your shop and actually announce in your shop that, hey, you are a new shop, you are a brand new shop, you are launching your shop, and on occasion of that launching of the new shop, you are having a 50% off, 40% off, 70% off, whatever it is on your shop for entire month or for 2 months, whatever it is. Just announce that kind of stuff on your shop so that when people will going to land on your shop, they're going to see that announcement very first page and they're going to see, okay, this is a brand new shop, they are opening up, they are launching it, so that's why they are having a sale, and that's why they are having discount, and they can get started selling with that. It is a little bit of giving providing more value in exchange of less money, something like that you can call it, because I was having a 2-month sale on my shop entire for 50% off. So something which I did, and I think that it would work. I can't guarantee 100% that it would really work, but I think that it would increase your chances of getting your first sale fast. The another tip that I have for you guys is have the discount coupons or coupons in your shop. Apart from sales, you could also offer the coupons to the people who are putting your products on the favorites, who are putting your products in their cart. You could provide them with a discount code like the 10% off, 20% off. You could provide them the code so that when someone is actually putting your product in the cart, they are getting the discount coupon, so it will likely increase your chances of getting the sales, because when people are going to say, hey, you are having a 50% off on your shop, and now when they have put your product in their cart and you're providing them 10% off coupon code, they will more likely to convert and actually allowing the people to have less hurdle in getting conversion. And actually, the last tip that I have for you guys is create less hurdle as much as you can to actually allow people to convert. Of course, the ideal conversion rate is 1 to 2%. 1% is average. If you're having a 2%, then it's amazing. But you need to create less hurdle as much as you can for your customers, for the people landing on your shop to actually convert. How you're going to do it? By providing them the coupon codes, like abandoned cart coupon codes, or when people are favoriting your products, they're also getting the coupon code. Another thing you could do is, you could also do, once they make a purchase from your shop, you could actually send them in a message and telling them how they actually like your product, if they need something in return, or if they are having some problems, some concern, you are there to help them to have a good customer service. Another thing you could actually do is have a target audience in your mind, because if you're just uploading a product randomly like that, people might get confused like whether that particular product is for them or not. So you need to actually tell them in your description. You could write in your description regarding the product. For example, if you're uploading a product related to the kids or babies, you could mention that in the description box of the product that this is specifically for this particular age group, 10 to 12, kids, girls, product is there, something like that. You could mention your target audience avatar in the description. So it would be really helpful for the people who are looking to your shop. They're going to read your description. They're going to see that it's for their kids. So they are more likely to convert, because we need to provide less hurdles as much as we can for people to actually convert. If the customer is seeing that there is a lot many hurdles in conversions in purchasing your product, then they might not buy from you. So we need to look into that. So these are my few tips regarding the Etsy getting the first sale. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are you selling on the Etsy? How's your experience with that? Are you getting your first sale? What are the products you're selling? Hopefully I can help you, because right now I got my first sale, so I have some tips for you. So if you have anything you want to ask, do let me know in the comment section below. But that's it for today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.